Moving on to example 2, the steamboat Juby Fountain could go 70 miles downstream in 5 hours, but required 6 hours to go 48 miles upstream. What was the speed of the boat in still water? And what was the speed of the current? This scenario is the easiest scenario there is. Of all these problems, if you don't know either the speed of the boat or the speed of the current, they're going to give you the times, they're going to give you the distances. They're really easy. Okay. First off, if I identify B and C, I don't know what B is, and I don't know what C is. I'd say the most difficult part about this is getting the correct unit on your answer, and that's not even hard. 70 miles in 5 hours, so it's miles per hour, right? All right. So once you might put miles per hour up here, just remind you that that's the type of unit you're going to get on your answer. Again, upstream and downstream rate are set in stone based on these two facts, of which we don't know anything about, but we have variables representing them now. Upstream is always speed of boat minus current, so B minus C. Downstream is always speed of boat plus current, so B plus C. All right, now let me explain to you why this is so very easy. If I write down the facts that I know, 70 miles downstream in 5 hours. Okay, so they gave me the downstream distance and the downstream time. And they give me the 6 hours to go 48 miles upstream. They give me the upstream distance and the upstream time. What we know as a fact is that rate times time equals distance, right? What don't we know? Out of all that stuff, what do we not know? Rate, time, or distance?
Rate.
We don't know rate, okay? If rate times time equals distance, and I divide both sides by time, notice that rate equals distance over time is also a true fact based on this relationship. And we know distances and times, right? So if I take distance divided by time, it equals rate. So watch this. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. And 70 divided by 5 is equal to 14. And just like that, within the chart even, I can create a very basic system of equations. I'm talking Algebra 1, first day we learned how to do this skill system of equations. As easy as it gets. All right? Even better, if it's B and C missing, one's going to be B plus C, one's going to be B minus C, so the C's are already set up to eliminate. If I add the equations together, B plus B is 2B. Negative and positive C cancel. 8 plus 14 is 22. Just like that, we get the speed of the boat in still water is 11 miles per hour. I go back to either equation. I'm going to go to the B plus C equals 14. This one here, B plus C equals 14, changing B to 11 because that's what we just figured out, B to B. Move the 11 over. That gets me C is equal to 3 miles per hour. And just like that, we have both the speed of the boat in still water and the current, the two things they're asking us to find, which is all they're ever asking us to find in that situation because that's what you won't know. Again, as simple as it gets, people miss this problem quite often. I don't know why. Baffles me. Okay. But that's how you do it. Rewatch the video if you get a problem like that, if you forgot, and hopefully you can figure it out.